Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You're ready to act now. Log into your verified Exness account and confirm your chosen leverage. For example, 100 because leverage changes margin and risk. Next, open Zoist and pick a time frame between 15 minutes and 1 hour. Add a 20 EMA and a 50 EMA to read trend direction. Finally, calculate lot size by risking a fixed percent, like 1% of your balance. This ensures consistent risk control. Once done, mark a recent swing low or high for stop placement and prepare to enter. Now you execute. Enter when your signal appears, for example, a 20 EMA crossing above 50 EMA with RSI confirming momentum, because aligned signals increase probability. Set stop loss using volatility, such as 1.5 times the ATR, so stops aren't too tight. Set take profit at a 2-to-1 reward-to-risk ratio to keep edges positive. Place either a market or pending order and double-check margin, and used margin percent, since leverage multiplies exposure. Finish by managing the open trade. Trail your stop to break-even after the first profit target or a safe pip buffer, and then follow structure-based adjustments so profits are protected. Close the position when price hits your TP, when EMAs reverse, or when an unexpected news spike invalidates the setup. Partial closes lock gains. If something goes wrong, for instance the platform freezes or orders don't execute, check your internet, restart the app, and contact Exness support before re-entering. Don't add risk to fix a technical problem.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.